data type for Java. So the same, and I was telling you before, you have here the data type. Here you have the name of the variable, we have the symbol equal, and we have the value that we're gonna use. Java is very similar to C#. So here we have byte, short, int, and long, float, double, boolean, char, string. So here we have the integer and we have the unsigned integer. So this one is a little more difficult, or let's say Java doesn't have a declaration for unsigned variable, so you need to play with the integer class. I will explain you later what is a class and the structure, and this is the way you can have unsigned variables for long, float, double, but in this case we're going to do the example only with integer. Here on the right we have the output, so you can see the values. Now let's move to Java and we will try with Java. Here we have Python IntelliJ, and here you see the declaration, and here we have the printout. So for Java is system out print ln, and for C# you remember was console write line, and for C++ it was code. Okay, so here I just wanted to show the difference between the integer and unsigned integer. So right now this is the maximum value for integer, and you can see here the output, and then unsigned you can see here is the double of this one, and this is the maximum value we can save here when unsigned. So here if I put a 8, the IDE it will tell me that something is wrong. This is here on the line that is red, and you put there is telling you that the integer number is too large. So yeah, this is how you can declare the variables. Try by yourself. String variables I will explain later on, because this is a class. You will learn more about object oriented later. We have here the char, and what else? Here this is important, and you can see here the unsigned. You need to use the class to print out the unsigned. So be careful using unsigned. I recommend better to use a long variable when you need a long data from the integer. For example, we put this number here. We should be able to print it with long. And let's try. No, it's not possible, and I will tell you why. So L. Okay, something important here I forgot to tell you is that when you are using the long variable, we need to put the L. So for this, it will tell the compiler that this is a long number and not an integer. So if we delete the L, it will tell us that the integer is too large. You can see here. So yeah, don't forget that when you're using long variable. We run it now again. We can see that it's working, and we get the value of the long. Then, so yeah, that's all. We have the float. Remember, for float you need the F. Then we have the double. Then we have boolean. We can have true or false. In this case it's false. Let's put true. Let's play. Now it's true. So yeah, you have here the code. You can try by yourself. Try to practice and change the numbers. Try to use the limits that are showing here. So that's all for this one. Let's continue.